Hi, my name is Mr. Galaxy. I'm the creator and CEO of Team Shadow Studios, and today I'd like to show you how we make our thumbnails. Unlike every single other YouTuber, we don't have Photoshop, so instead we make our thumbnails inside our own recording software. Editing software. You can tell that we're in very, very bad hands. For a small thumbnail, we're going to do Galaxy Skits, the tape. We're going to try and recreate this thumbnail right here. Thumbnails like this are very simple. All you need to do is take a screenshot, so let's just take this one right here. Afterward, we plop them down right here, where they can be edited down. Next, since this is a Galaxy Skits thumbnail, we're going to need to use this. I have Galaxy Skits pre-saved for every thumbnail. Mwah! Beautiful! So what we do is we either zoom in, maybe right here. Afterwards, we add another Galaxy Skits. But this time, we lock the first one in place and move the other one down here. And we give it a title. Since this thumbnail is a fake thumbnail, we're just going to say the tape. Yeah, that's not how you spell tape, I think. We change the color to whatever we want, or if we want to get more advanced, let's do purple, pink for now. And there you go. Afterwards, we take another screenshot, but that's for another day. Let's get into a video that's going to be up and coming. Now, this is for an up and coming YouTube video. New Super Mario Wii, or whatever I'm going to name it. Since I never really made the thumbnail, let's go ahead and make it right now. For that, we're going to need to take a random screenshot as usual. Usually it's a funny one, usually it's one that's just random. But since it's a funny one, let's just use this 69 screenshot. Nice. As per usual, we'll drag it down right here. Next, we're going to need Common Rad Mr. Galaxy. And luckily, I finally updated my avatar so that way it won't have a blue screen background, making it less annoying to put him in. When I make this thumbnail, these thumbnails with Common Rad Mr. Galaxy, or Grand Majesty as I like to call him, I usually go, what do I like to say? And stuff like this. What makes it more funny? That's what it hit me. I do this. Whether that be words or just put them in there. But since this is a funny one, I decided to do this. We're going to crop out his entire body and just leave a little headpiece on. Future Mr. Galaxy here for a couple minutes. I forgot to talk about this part, but what I did was I cropped out his head, obviously, and then I decided to zoom in and make him look like he's part of the actual game. And I'm about to talk again, so I'll see you guys in literally a second. And boom, we have our thumbnail right here. Sometimes I add a little bit more, sometimes I just put kind of like Mr. Galaxy in, him reacting to something, or him doing a funny. And this is one of those simple, short, but effective ones. Sometimes you don't need a big budget thing to make it epic. But then again, I'm a small YouTuber, so I don't know if I count. We're not just done yet, because the file we use for this thumbnail is way too big, even if I just copy and paste. So let me tell you what I do and give you the exact amount of size that you need for your thumbnails. So after we find thumbnails, I just copy it from the snapshot folder and paste it onto the YouTube thumbnail uploads, like so. This I use as a template, and I'm going to give you the exact size you need for your thumbnails. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Go to Canvas, and this is way too big for YouTube. Trust me, I tried. Anything over than 2 megabytes would not fit at all. It will reject your thumbnails. But to fix this, you'll need a 1611 width and a 905 height. Afterwards, you save your project. Then, exit out. Finally, you want to go to YouTube Studio so that way you could actually place your thumbnail on. For the sake of demonstration purposes, we're going to do one of the unuploaded videos at the time of this recording, that is. We'll use Help Me as an example, and we're going to upload thumbnail, and then we'll click right here. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. Click save and you're done. But maybe you guys don't believe me that my thumbnails are too big when I just do the screenshot. You think it's just one and done, that's pretty much it. Well, not true. Here's the unedited version, and it would say file was bigger than 2 megabytes. Just doing it just in case you guys don't believe me. And that's pretty much all that I do for now. I mean, I might go a little bit more creative once I get Photoshop, or maybe I'll let Dago do it because he knows a lot more about picture editing than I do. I'm just good at video editing, but let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? You guys think this is good? You guys think this is bad? Let me know in the comments down below. Until then, I'm Mr. Galaxy Cat, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, members of Team Shadow. Please never stay cat. Live life your own way. Stay safe during these trying times, and I'll see you all in the castle. I do!